2015 Chevy Suburban. I'm about to do the alternator job. First, you unclip these. That one. Then, with a screwdriver, you unscrew this one. And for the the boost, another screwdriver. And then you pull it out. And then it comes right out. Clip, clip. Up. Now we're about to unplug the battery. And let's go. Oh, and another thing, when you buy the alternator, you gotta know how many amps is it. I don't know how many amps is this one, but I'm gonna know once I pull it out. You always gotta look into that. Alright, let me take the battery. Took the negative out. Put it around there. Now. Now we put the 3 1/4 in here. Alright, put it right in here. Right, and then you pull it down and the belt come out. And the belt come out, right? And then what you do, you just put it up here. Right, put it right there so it don't come out. So like that you don't got a hard time putting it back in. But shit, this belt is easy to pull out and pull back in. I learned this and that's it. Take those 2 screws, size 15, and it's out of there. And I learned something else too. There you come. You loosen it up, you bang in a little bit, and the pins you push them back. So like that, it don't be hard to put it back on. Let me take this out. Let me pause this real quick. That's one. With the second screw, this is the long one. The long one goes on the bottom, the short one on the top. This is a 12 millimeter. That's a 12 right there. No, this is a 13. My bad. This is a 13 right here. A 13. This is a 13, and then you just come on, clip it back here, pull it out, throw it back here. Always check those pins, make sure that they good, right? Always check those pins, make sure the wire's making connection. Put it back here. 13, check it out. Put it somewhere where you're gonna find it. And everything else a piece of cake. Now just pull it out. And you put the screwdriver back here and whew, it's already out. Let's go. Alternator took me about like 7 minutes if I ain't listen because I'm recording. And there he goes. Now you gotta check and see how many amps it got. Bam, piece of cake. Piece of cake, piece of cake. Even a caveman could do this. Ba-boom. Now, let's go to Napa.